So I just got some breakfast. I went to the same place now 2 days in a row and had a very lovely conversation with the lady who works there. So I thought I'd at least share the place, because I think that if you're looking for a place that's, you know, a bit more local with some delicious food, really good prices, yeah, this is definitely the place I would come. I looked at some other places this morning and just decided to come back here because yesterday was so good that today was just as good again. So this restaurant here is called Minchopi, and I'll put the address on the screen here. It's just this little upstairs restaurant here in the corner. They are pretty awesome, you know, really local, great coffee, give me free refills both days, so I assume that's included. And yeah, I think for the breakfast that I got, which you can see here, and a coffee, it came to 170 pesos, so that's like $11 Canadian, which is like $8 US. And yeah, spectacular. So highly recommended if you come to Mazatlan and you're looking for a, I'll call it a non-touristy type place to get something to eat. This would be my pick. And it's only 5 minutes walking from Playa Norte area along the beach. So yeah, great spot. So my time in Mazatlan is unfortunately quickly coming to an end. I'm on the bus tomorrow to Guadalajara, which I will be in for about a week, I believe. I don't really have too much planned for today. I thought I might go for a little wander in a little bit, just kind of around the downtown historical district, and maybe hop in another one of those, I'm going to call them a jeepney because that's what it reminds me of, one of those local taxis, and maybe just kind of ride it for, you know, a little bit up and down the beach. It's another very overcast kind of day here. So again, very different from what I've experienced in Baja over the last 5 weeks. I think that as I head farther south from here, I think the weather will continue to be different again. Getting down past Mexico City and working my way down toward the Yucatan to Merida and some other spots. Yeah, I think it'll start to cool off a little bit, maybe. It is now September, so at some point it's going to start cooling off anyway, regardless, just because of the time of the year. Having said that, I know I sweat a lot, and you know, I'm certainly not the fittest guy around, but I'm making a go, and it's been good. Yeah, I don't mind the heat or the sweat. It's been a really great experience so far, and looking forward to venturing forth and wandering on. So I thought I'd give a little quick room review here before I go. I stayed here for 3 nights. Found this place on booking.com. I'll put the information here on the screen. And it was great. Had a little desk there with a couple of chairs. Good sized bed. Definitely a double bed. 2 pillows. Nice foam mattress on top, so it's good for sleeping. There was a, you know, fridge that worked great. A little dresser here. Little TV on the wall, which I didn't use too much. Oh yeah, and there's also a really good air conditioning unit on the wall up here that kept it ice cold. So, pretty standard bathroom here. Shower stall on the left. Toilets around the corner there. Sink, mirror. Good towels, which is great as well. So yeah, good little spot. Yeah, no problems. Internet was great here, nice and fast. So that was good as well. So I would recommend staying here if you're coming to Mazatlan and looking for an affordable place to stay for, you know, a few nights. Only real issue, and it's not an issue with this place, there is some construction going on next door that started usually in the mornings pretty early. So just keep that in mind. That'll probably be long gone by the time anybody else comes here based on my recommendation, but that's fine. I figured I'd at least mention it. And yeah, that's the room tour. gusta música. Good evening from Mazatlan. I'm here my final evening. I decided to go out after dark and take a look around. I came up as far as the Mazatlan city sign here. It's hilarious. There's a huge lineup you can see here to go stand in front of the sign and get your picture taken and all that good stuff. But yeah, what an energetic, crazy place tonight for a Sunday night, and there's all kinds of people around. So this is my final evening in Mazatlan. Tomorrow I am heading on the bus to Guadalajara, where I'm staying for a week. Mazatlan is beautiful. Can't recommend coming to check it out enough. You know, lots to see and do here. You could spend weeks here, no problem, and still not probably see everything in the city. But you know, make sure if you do come here that at least you make a point of checking out the waterfront from end to end. It's, you know, almost 15 kilometers or more long, and there's stuff to see the entire way. So make sure you come and do that. Well, that's it from Mazatlan. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe. Drop a like below or a comment to let me know that you were here. If you'd like to support me further, there's a couple links in the description below that you can do that through, or you can purchase something through my online shop where I have t-shirts and other items available for sale. And remember, life is short. Wander. I'll see you next time.